I'm heading to Guangzhou, China. What's the drama's going to be like? That was a bit of a faff, wasn't it, when it came to the arrivals and having to fill in the form that no one told us about. So this is the start of our journey, showing you the capital, showing you the sights and showing you everything to do. That's it, ready to go. Gotta get a passport. Here we go, let's go.
Join me on planes, trains.
We're going to be starting off in Guangzhou.
3 generations exploring street food, culture, nightlife, beaches, stunning waters as we travel across all the different cities.
This is our last English meal before we hit China, and it's noodles, rice and spicy chicken. So we started our trip with a nice little breakfast over there, and that cost $14.95 for each breakfast. Looks like we're actually going. Boys are ready. We're ready to go.
10-hour flight?
Yeah, 10 hours. Going to Beijing first, there for 3 hours, is it? Waiting for the next flight, and then that'll take us to our final destination. They've given us a good selection of films on the flight here. Made in Hollywood. We've got Wicked. Should we get a little bag? And in the little bag we've got eye mask, some socks, and toothpaste and a little brush. Thank you. We got chicken dinner, rice, like potato and salmon.
Okay, we'll wait back. Sorry about that. Thank you.
Yanglang thing here. Yanglang. Just checking our flight path. That is where we start off. Where I gotta be. Over here. Really useful. We don't get off the plane here. So then we fly over to Thailand. So we are 7 o'clock, 7 hours in, 3 hours left to go. It's a 10-hour flight to Beijing, and then we are in the airport in 40 minutes, and then we've then got to get a flight then over to our final destination, which is, I believe, a 3-hour flight. So we're nearly there. So there's a visa that we need to fill out. So that's just working on right now. Making sure that we've got all the necessary paperwork to get into the country in China. You've also got to let them know actually where you are staying, the hotel that you're staying in. You can't just arrive. I've gone for chicken. This is the breakfast. It's congee chicken and shiitake. Shiitake mushroom. Shiitake mushroom. Welcome to China.
Look, it's too well, isn't it?
Do you reckon I've gone for the right thing there or the wrong thing? What's the pork look like?
Sauce nice.
Oh, that looks like with spinach and what?
Frittata.
I don't know. It's like sick. It's fucking shite. Oh my god. That was the worst plain food I've ever had. It was the worst. I haven't even ate it, look. So we just got off that plane and now we're up in the airport for a transfer flight to Guangzhou. So a bit of a palaver that with the ID cards and that. So we're being told that we have to fill in an arrival card. So these are the stations that we're going to use. Crazy palaver having to try and fill in this arrival card on your phone when you can't even get any Wi-Fi as well. We're going to have a go doing it. And I think there is where our departures are.
Yeah. H2730. Yeah. Yeah. FO1, FO22, G01, G11, whatever that is.
So it's 7 o'clock in the morning. We're going to have some sumai. I'll have to see if this Alipay will work on my phone. I've got it on there, but
Right.
you've got all these little eatery places just along the strip here.
Wanna go in
Yeah,
here?
let's go here, yeah.
Hi, sit down please.
Okay.
Dumpling with a moment, okay? Dumpling with a moment.
Okay.
Okay, no problem, thank you.
It's tasty. Looks good, that.
It certainly does. Hey?
Can I pay by card?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. It's pretty decent, that place. So that worked out for those 3 bowls of noodles.
30.
And there was some dumplings and 3 beers, £25.
40 shit.
So we got a 3-hour flight now over to Guangzhou, transfer flight, and then we get to the town. Guangzhou or Guangzhou? Guangzhou. Here we go, mate. So we're finally at our destination, and that was a hell of a flight that altogether, including the time that we left from the house, and we still got to get to the hotel, we still got to get a taxi. It's been 24 hours altogether. It's warm. I can feel the heat. Look at this for a car. Hey, this is alright, isn't it? Look at this. Look at these 2 luxury in the back of they got these seats that recline back.
And water.
Also gives
And
them
a massage.
gives them a massage. We've got a 35-minute journey to the airport. This is a great car, isn't
25 quid.
it? 25 quid for this car. Look at the size of that flipping screen. It's got Netflix on it and everything, and it's fully electric. We've got our own chauffeur. I like it.
3,000.
It's good.
3,000 million.
50. It says 56,000. Oh, that was amazing. What a nice car that is. Here's our hotel anyway. Just arriving. There we go. These little robots here. Just checking in. Let's check the room out. See what it's like. Yeah, so just waiting for the just check that out though. £333.97 for this hotel, and it's the Yishang Hotel.
它有池电的，不是？哎，也对呀，我看一下。 等一下你们下去了，叫他帮你刷一下卡啊。
Swipe the card again when we go back down.
Okay.
到前台去刷一下。
Should
Yeah.
do with
现
the
在
good
可以
now.
取电。
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Here we go. Here we go.
Yeah. Thank
Our
you.
bedroom,
Thank you.
Two big beds. Oh. You know what? That's spot on though, isn't it?
It's clean, tidy,
Yeah.
isn't it? Right.
Yeah. That's great. Oh, the way they put the sink on the outside.
Doesn't make sense.
It's a bit different, isn't it? I suppose because they haven't got enough space in there, though, have they?
There's plenty of water.
Good morning. Good night's sleep, first night's sleep. We're going to head down to get some breakfast and check out what do they eat here. Breakfast in the morning. We've got sweet corn, looks like some noodles, some rice. Noodles in the morning, Paul. We've got some dumplings as well. Mixed grain, steamed dumplings. So they like a lot of noodles here. This is our breakfast, look at that. I don't know what we're eating like, but it's different. This is like a bao bun of some sort, and it's like a barbecue. It's like a jam in it.
Sweet.
This is their version of like a cinnamon swirl. It's like a bao bun. It's like a white, soft bun. Very nice. Very different breakfast to a normal English breakfast. So this is Beijing Street. It starts up at this end, which is up by our hotel. We're going to take a walk all the way down it and see what's down here, what coffee shops there are, where we can eat, and is there any bars, restaurants. Check all these bikes here now. Have your wits about you. You're walking through. Bikes absolutely everywhere. Mongolian barbecue skewers. They look the business, don't they? They look like them. The hell of them. Squid there. Got some squid. Have a look. Is it a robot or? Yeah. I think someone's overdone on the smoke machine. How cool does that look up there? That looks great, doesn't it? It's supposed to look. Looks like it's jumping out here. We found a nice place that we're going to eat in tonight. We're going to try it out. The menu looks great. Let's take a look. We're going to get that, yeah?
Yeah.
What else?
Fried rice.
Fried rice. What are these? What are they called? Roast pork bun.
Vermicelli. And then some of the chicken.
Gizzards.
The wing and honey sauce.
The wing and honey sauce, yeah.
OK。
Brilliant. That's it? Okay. Thank you.
You did have like cow's heads.
Yeah.
Heads,
You,
you know.
that's the
That's the bun with the. You may as well have a
with
little bit, you
the
know.
duck in it or something. What was it? No, pork.
It's,
wasn't it?
pork with the. Thank you. You may as well have a little bit.
His gloves on.
Oh, we've got chopsticks somewhere.
I've got gloves to put on.
Chopsticks. Yeah.
We just got the bill, and again, it's just nuts here. How
37
cheap it is. 37 quid all in on Monzo. Show them the Monzo scene. Prove to them. Right, that's £11. What?
So it worked out 37 quid between the three of us. It worked out £11.47
Each, and that is 2 beers as well. So,
Big beers, not.
yeah. Like look at the size of them. You know what I mean?
Big
Number 7s.
beers.
Yeah, number 7s.
And we got a rack of ribs, pork ribs, egg fried rice, chicken wings. Between the three of us.
Pork, something else.
And the bun in vermicelli.
And we got some fucking
Awful start.
Don't eat it.
That's like dog shit. It smells like sweaty socks.
Food and drinks, £11.50.
Really good.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Now this is just the start of our trip here in China. We've got one more day and then we're going to be heading over to Thailand with the father-in-law and the brother-in-law as well. Now the next video you're going to love, hop onto that because we're going to be taking the fastest train in China which goes over 200 miles an hour, and we're going to go into a district that does really nice watches. So also, did you know over here their delivery service is very different than the UK? We've got Uber Eats and Just Eats. They fly drones and robots and they deliver the food for you. So check that one out as well. So we'll see you on the next video. But for me, it's bye for now.